numbers everywhere, and what do they mean? Oh my. If you are seeing repetitive numbers, I am going to help you in understanding what that means. If you want to better understand what your name means, what is the vibration that your name carries that helps you in your life journey, I am going to help you. If you are wanting to better understand the day that you were born, okay, and understanding why you were chosen to come that exact day. Good news, there is an explanation to that. And I am going to be explaining all of that and much more this coming Sunday, October 18, 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'd like to invite you, your friends, your family, anyone that's curious and understanding what is numerology, what are these numbers, how are these letters and numbers playing together, what does the symbol mean, what are they really trying to tell me about me, okay? We are going to learn all of that this coming Sunday. So I hope to see you, your friends, and your family, and join us for some amazing, informative treats. And not only that, there's going to be some bonuses that you're going to get that I won't share because the bonus you won't know until you actually sign up. So I see you then.